It's June. It's car detailing season because here in Canada, we are quite certain we're not going to see snow for at least 2 months. So in this video, I am going to show you how to detail the inside of a car. I'm not worried about the exterior because in this video, ooh, there's a bug. In this video, I really want to focus on how to get inside clean because let's be honest, that's where we spend most of our time. And I'm going to be showing you professional car detailing products, well, prosumer car detailing products instead of DIY products because upon further research and speaking with some car detailing experts, I've learned that using things like dish soap and vinegar can actually degrade the interior of the vehicle. So we're going to do it the right way, and we're going to do it now. And it's 80 degrees, so send me a fan. And just a quick reminder, if you haven't done so already, to subscribe to the Clean My Space channel and give this video a thumbs up for me, because I'm standing out here and I'm going to be sweating cleaning this car. Thank you. So here I have my Dyson V15 and I've got 3 different attachments. I've got my combo tool, which has these little bristles. It's going to help me get into the vents and some of those little spaces. I have the awkward gap tool, which is a bendable crevice tool. That's the red one right here. And then of course I have my hair screw tool, which is the small upholstery brush that can allow me to get that battery power where we need suction the most in the car. And I've seen the interior of this car. There's a lot that needs to be vacuumed. I've also got a variety of products from the Maker's Clean Auto Collection. Everything from the detailing mitt to our flat weave cloths, general purpose cloths, and our duo cloths. These are great for both interior and exterior detailing. I've got links to them down below. Now, the reason I have them in a cardboard box is because car people are very finicky, and microfiber cloths, they can pick up pieces of debris, these ones with the terry weave. And if you're using these for exterior detailing, they can actually leave microscopic scratches. So you want to make sure that you're keeping them away from debris, which is why I have this cardboard box from a grocery delivery that I'm using to keep all of my cloths in. I'm going through a bunch of different detailing products that I'm using for the interior car cleaning that I'm doing today, and I'm going to link all of these products for you down below. Now, I'm not being paid by any of these companies to film this video, but the links down below are indeed affiliate links, and we might make a small commission on sales. So we've got OxiClean Winter Salt Eraser, and it's got a built-in brush. This product is designed to melt away salt stains on rubber mats. If you come from a part of the world where you don't get salt stains on rubber mats, lucky you. It means that you don't get snow and cold weather, and I envy that. But if you're somewhere where you do get the white stuff, well, this comes in handy because salt stains are epic and they are very challenging to remove with basic DIY products. This product is by the Chemical Guys. It's streak-free window clean glass cleaner, and it's safe to use on tinted windows as well. What's nice is this particular product is designed to remove the grease that you get inside your car. It's not like a regular piece of glass, like a mirror or a window inside your house. Like the greasy stuff inside your car, that's a whole different cleaning challenge, which is why this product comes in handy. Next up, a couple of, let's call them all-purpose interior cleaners. The first one is called Nonsense Invisible Super Cleaner. This one is colorless and odorless. It's a nice pH-balanced, neutral cleaning solution. On their website, they actually say this is safe to use on all surfaces, so I have to imagine this is just their version of a pH-neutral, all-purpose, gentle cleaner. So if anything in the car makes you, quote-unquote, nervous about cleaning any surface, this would be the one to choose. Alternatively, you can choose Inner Clean, which is an interior quick detailer, all-surface, all-purpose cleaner that's designed to remove dirt and dust. It says it cleans and protects the surface. This product here, another Chemical Guys product, is an all-in-one sprayable leather cleaner and conditioner, which is also pH neutral and balanced, which I like because, you know, if you are keeping your car long-term and you have leather seats, they have the propensity to crack and fade, and this is a product that will take really good care of your leather and make sure it looks good long-term. And finally, by the Chemical Guys, this product's called Silk Shine. It's a protectant, so it's what you would apply after. Think about it like conditioner after you've done the shampoo to your vinyl, rubber, and plastic surfaces. This also offers UV protection, and well, I know that sounds bougie. Here's the thing. If you're keeping your car long term, eventually UV rays are going to fade and crack and damage the interior of the vehicle. So putting something like this on goes the distance, like the construction workers across the street. I've also got a nice pair of rubber gloves for 2 reasons. First of all, nails. And second of all, it's important to wear gloves when you're cleaning a stranger's car. As I become glistening in sweat because it is so hot in this car, we're going to talk through some of the clutter that I have found in this man's vehicle. Just looking at the car, it doesn't look too bad, but when you start to look inside the little nooks and crannies of this vehicle, things start to make themselves apparent. Like, for example, the armrest. I have found 937 receipts that I'm sure his accountant is just dying to get his hands on. I should also mention this man is an accountant, so go figure. Inside the glove box here, I found a COVID test. And by the way, COVID tests should be kept at room temperature. Today is over 80 degrees, plus the glove box, add another 15 degrees. Don't use that COVID test. There's a bag of peanuts that are probably roasted peanuts at this point, a wallet, some sort of emergency rescue kit, a sewing kit. I don't know what he has in here, but I got to take it out and clean it. I found some dirty Kleenexes. Here beside the seat, I found a newspaper, and if we just look at the date, this is currently June of 2024. This is from September of 2023, so hot read. And then we also have a dog leash. And I should tell you this man doesn't have a dog, so let me know in the comments down below what this leash could possibly be used for. We see a snow brush in the back, and I can assure you on a day like today, we're not gonna get any snow, so not sure why that's there. And when we look in the trunk, we find yet another snow brush, just because. So I'm going to remove all of this clutter. I'll sort through it for him. I'll probably put everything in a bag and just let him decide what he wants to keep and toss. Like, that's not my job. I'm just here to, do a favor for a friend. But normally that's what you would do. You would sort through and get rid of whatever it is you don't want to keep. There's some other wonderful products, so I'm going to be using a mix of both. And I want to highlight these ones. These are from Carzilla. The first one is McKee's Floor Mat and Cargo Liner Rejuvenator. This one was recommended to me by Pan, the organizer. He's a longtime friend of Clean My Space, so I picked this one up and I'm going to give it a try. Next up, we've got McKee's Interior Surface Protected. It also offers UV protection, which I love, and it is safe to use on a multitude of surfaces. So this is really great. Then we've got CarPro. This product is called Inside. It's a dedicated leather and car interior cleaner. What's really nice about this is if you have leather seats, you can be very confident using this, knowing that it's safe to use. There is a difference between leather and vinyl, so you want to make sure that you're picking up the right product. Also, if you have upholstery interior, you want to get the upholstery cleaner. And then we've got this product here. This is called Clarify Phobic, also by CarPro, and it's a hydrophobic streak-free glass cleaner. Again, the issue with the interior glass of a vehicle, glass and mirrors, is that it can develop a haze. And that haze doesn't necessarily come off with something like vinegar or regular glass cleaner. You have to use something specific and purpose-built for the issue. So that's why these products are so useful. So this is the Duo cloth. It's our unique double-sided cloth, and it's the perfect utility cloth. It's oversized, it's thirsty, and it's ready for whatever car cleaning challenges come your way. It features two sides. The first is an ultra plush deep pile fabric designed to polish, buff, and absorb massive amounts of moisture, which is great for wiping out a car after a car wash, but also wiping up excess product and buffing on the interior. And the second side features our general purpose weave, which is great for dusting and other cleaning jobs. Next up, we've got the original Maker's Cleaning Cloth. This is a 16 by 16 cloth. We call it our OG, our original cloth, and it's ideal for dusting and cleaning car interiors because that terry style weave is great for picking up dust, and it's also plush and absorbent. I take a few of these with me whenever I'm doing interior car cleaning. And this here is our glass and electronics cloth. It's designed for cleaning delicate glass, mirror, and touchscreen surfaces in the vehicle. Typically, when I'm cleaning these surfaces, especially if it's touchscreen, I will spray the cloth with product and then buff it in. I also keep one of these in my car for any time I need to clean and degrease my mirror, my phone, or my touchscreen. And this is our chenille dusting and wash mitt. People who love car detailing absolutely adore this. It's a 360-degree cleaning tool. It's very comfortable to use and easily traps dust with just one wipe. You can also use it as a wet wash mitt, which is great for cleaning your vehicle exterior. So we picked the hottest day of 2024 to film this video, and I am currently using a Maker's Clean cloth to absorb all of the sweat on my body, plus the greasy makeup. My hair is soaked. I'm probably in the running for a wet t-shirt contest at this point. Anyway, now that we're done cleaning that vehicle, I need to know in the comments down below, when was the last time that you cleaned the inside of your car? And has watching this video inspired you to clean the interior of your car? For me, yeah. I'm gonna be doing it. I mean, at this point, I'm sort of resentful at the guy whose car we cleaned because I'm like, should have put that effort into my own vehicle, but that's for me to deal with after this video is over. I will sort of run that all through while I'm dousing myself with ice water. Now, you saw me using that Dyson V15 in this video. If you wanna know more about those vacuums, I've got a Dyson video for you right over here. And if you haven't done so already, make sure that you subscribe to the Clean My Space channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.